Hello and welcome. I'm Sylvia from My Kitchen Creations. If you're new here, welcome. If not, welcome back. On today's episode, we're making Chinese beef. This recipe is super easy to make and the beef always comes out super tender. And I'll show you guys how to achieve the most tender beef. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. I am using Rump Roast for this recipe, and it is one of the toughest part of the beef. And I'm going to show you guys how to get this beef nice and tender. As you can see, I am thinly slicing it. This is how I had thinly sliced the meat. As you can see, they are into strips. So now we're going to add our baking soda to it. And this is what's gonna get our meat super tender. After adding in your baking soda and making sure that the meat is fully covered with it, we're going to allow this to sit for about 30 minutes. Now it's time to rinse out the baking soda. After rinsing out the baking soda, it's time to neutralize the beef, some rice vinegar, and give it another rinse. This is how it's looking after rinsing it. So now it's time to marinate our beef. To make the marinade, we need egg white from an egg, which I have in this bowl. Now we're going to add our sherry wine, sesame oil, ginger, white pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and adobo seasoning. Give it a good mix. Pour it over your meat. Go ahead and give that a good mix. Cover it and place it in the fridge for an hour to marinate. After an hour, this is how our meat is looking. So now, add your cornstarch. Give it a mix. This is how it's looking after adding the cornstarch. Over medium heat in a large skillet, add your oil. Add your meat. And we're going to fry them for about 2 to 3 minutes until they are golden brown. After they are nice and golden, go ahead and place them in a bowl. After cooking your meat, go ahead and place your shredded carrots. And we're going to stir fry these until they are softened. We're going to make a sauce to go with it, so add some ketchup into a bowl. Add your hoisin sauce. Add your black bean chili sauce. Add your brown sugar. Give it a stir. That looks great. After 5 minutes, this is how our carrots are looking. Now go in with your sauce. Give that a stir. Add your meat back in. Add your green onions. And this should take us to the end of this recipe. Guys, my Chinese beef is ready. Take a look. Doesn't this look amazing? And I cannot wait to enjoy this. I'm going to serve it with some steamed rice. Let's give this a try. So good. This is such an easy and delicious recipe, guys. Go ahead and give it a try, and I'll catch you guys later.